guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I am also telling about what is Bitcoin. Okay, rate in today's rate about Bitcoin. Okay, let's start. So guys, first at all open the Google and search top of the screen what is Bitcoin. Okay, so guys, in this channel I'm also telling about what is Bitcoin. Market summary is here about Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin is a protocol which implements a highly available public permanent and decentralized ledger. In order to the add to the ledger a must prove they control an entry in the ledger. The protocol specifies that the entry indicates an amount of a token Bitcoin with the minuscule b. Okay, so guys, Bitcoin prices each and everything is here. Bitcoin price today, BTC to USD live marketscape and charts. Okay, Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin and how does it work? Okay, so in this video, I'm also telling about Bitcoin is a digital currency which operates free of any central control or the oversight of banks or governments. Instead, it relies on peer-to-peer software and cryptography. A public ledger records all Bitcoin transactions and copies are held on servers around the world. Anyone with a spare computer can set up one of these servers known as a node. Consciousness on who owns which coins is reached cryptographical across these new nodes rather than relying on a central source of trust like a bank. Every transaction is publicly broadcast to the network and shared from node to node. Every 10 minutes or so, these transactions are collected together by miners into a group called a block and added permanently to the blockchain. Okay, this is the and definitive accounts book of Bitcoin. So guys, I'm also telling about what is Bitcoin and how does it work in different websites. Okay, because every website have different experiences. So Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is exchanged between two parties without involving intermediaries like banks or other financial institutions, as defined in a white paper released by the hidden inventor of Bitcoin, Satoshi Satoshi Nakamoto. Bitcoin is a purely peer-to-peer version of electronic cash that would allow online payment to be sent directly from one party to another without going through a financial institution. Okay, to understand Bitcoin, one needs to understand the underlying structure, the manner of operation of the Bitcoin ecosystem, and the extent of usage of the same in India. Okay, how does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin achieves elimination of intermediaries with the help of its underlying technological blockchain. Currently, if you have to transfer funds to someone, one of the possible way is by giving cash, or alternatively use a trusted intermediary. Examples are bank both the mechanisms, whether it be physically cash with the central bank of the country as the guarantor. Okay, or electronic transfer involves an intermediary. In the later case, a bank or another financial institution where intermediaries are involved, there are a transaction cost. Okay, how the blockchain technology help achieve elimination of intermediaries is by replacing trust the intermediaries bring to the table with cryptography proved by the use of CPU computer power. Okay, this cryptography trust is built into Bitcoin through a wallet, a public key, and a private key in the program. Okay, so Bitcoin transactions are verified via telecommunication network nodes through cryptography and are then recorded in a decentralized distributed ledger called blockchain. This is one of the distinguishing aspects of Bitcoin from some other crypto assets where there is a centralized exchange like the stock exchange through which all transactions need to be routed or validated. How does Bitcoin mining works? Okay, in the Bitcoin ecosystem, there is a network of miners who use their CPUs to process transactions. Okay, all information is here about can Bitcoin be considered a real currency? It is the table where Bitcoin is a currency at all. and why any country would want to replace it with their existing currency, as Bitcoin does not have any intrinsic value of its own. Okay, so guys, I hope you also like this video. Inshallah we will meet again. Allah Hafiz.